Taubal Bicycle Riders Club organized the observance of World Bicycle Day 2026 on the theme Cycling for a Greener Future. A cycle rally was organized from Taubal Mataba Devi Mandap to Taubal Mela Ground Community Hall to mark the occasion. Retired Assistant Director of SAI Imphal, Konsam Michael, flagged off the cycle rally. Speaking on the sideline, convener of Taubal Bicycle Riders Club, Samo Margumani, highlighted the benefits of cycling in building a healthy society. He added that Taubal Bicycle Riders Club organized the cycle rally with the aim to create awareness on healthy lifestyle. Chairman of Taubal Bicycle Riders Club, Dr. KSH Manglim, along with members of the club, took part in the rally. World Bicycle Day was also observed today in Jiribam district with the NSS unit and IQAC of Jiri College alongside Mera Yuva Bharat, My Bharat Jiribam, jointly organizing a bicycle rally. The rally, which concluded at the railway crossing, was officially flagged off by the Jiribam Police Station OC Tikendra. And speaking to reporters on the sidelines of the event, Jiri College NSS Unit Program Officer Okram Radhesham highlighted the significance of the UN-recognized observance. He stated that the initiative aims to spread awareness about cultivating cycling habits to stay healthy and reduce air pollution. He further expressed hope that adopting cycling could significantly ease the economic burden on citizens caused by rising fuel prices. Radhesham also called for a widespread tree planting drive across the district to protect the environment.